So I got the switch in. It's not the prettiest out there. Hello everybody. Well, today I'm going to fix Ranelyn's motorcycle because a couple years ago I stole her bike and put a stereo on it, but the stereo being right here connected directly to the battery, even if you turn it off, kills the battery. So what I got to do is put a toggle switch in the wire. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that today. Hopefully it works. If not, well, at least I tried something, right? So I was going to show you how the stereo turns on and all that, but unfortunately I can't because I have it disconnected. So I've got to take this off right here, and then I can get to the battery and I'll show you what I'm going to do. As you can see right here, I got the negative and positive wires. What I'm going to do is put a little switch right here. That way Ranelyn can reach in and click it above the hood. That way it doesn't kill her battery. So I've got to get my tools here, minus the garage door opener. Don't even know why I brought that over. And yeah, I'm going to put the switch on. So hopefully it works. We'll see what happens. But what I'm going to do first is open this up, and then I'm just going to cut the hot wire. I'm not going to cut the ground wire, and then I'm just going to connect it. I don't have a solder gun, so I'm just going to use some heat shrink, and that should take care of everything so the water doesn't get in there. So let me get started. So I got the cover off without cutting the wires. So now I'm just going to cut the hot wire, and I'm going to hook up the switch, which is pretty easy. It just those two little things right there, but one on one, one on the other with some heat shrink, and that should do it. And then I'll test it out and see how she works. So yeah, I gotta cut a wire. I never do like cutting wires, especially if I have no clue what I'm doing. So let's see here. Grab that right there. Whoops, go right in the middle, and let's see what happens. Hey, look at that, I cut a wire. Now I gotta strip it and get it hooked up. So I got the switch in. It's not the prettiest out there, but I'm going to strap it down with something. I'm not sure, probably tie down, or what are those things? Yeah, cinch, yeah, you know what I mean, zip tie, there we go. That way it keeps it more stable on there, and Ranelyn can come in and just flip the switch on and off. So I gotta go find a zip tie so I can get that on there, and then I gotta connect the battery and see if it actually works. Battery's hooked up, switch I believe is on. Let's see if the thing actually turns on. We have power.
Aux mode.
Aux mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Woohoo!
FM mode. Aux mode.
Okay.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Let's see if it turns off. Push the button. So I got it nicely right there. She can put her finger in there. Look at that. It's turned off. Hallelujah. So I actually did something right. I'm happy. I'm proud of myself. Ranelyn's going to be very happy because number one, it's not going to kill her battery, and number two, she got music. So that's a good thing, right? So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.